Alright, here we go for your virtual tour. Alright. This is a hide-a-bed. It converts into a bed, but I'm not going to pull it out for you. Your stove, your oven, your microwave, and your cupboards. Up into the master bedroom. Alright, looks like we have some sort of thing for the bed, whatever that may be. I guess we'll hit the bathroom now. Holes in the floor. Maybe I won't turn that on right now. We'll just go straight to the bath commode. Alright, looks like that's working. Alright, I guess that concludes our little tour here. Hope you enjoyed that.